Discord bot. So first you would need to install Visual Studio Code. So you can go on the Visual Studio Code website, code.visualstudio.com/download, to install the Visual Studio Code for your OS. I use Windows and I already have it installed, so I don't need to install it yet. And then it's for Linux and for Mac. Second, you would need to install Node.js. I'll link these links in the description below. And then basically just install it for the LTS. We don't need the latest features. And then after that, we'll go to Discord developer portal, and then go click on the first link. And then after here, you create a new application. So test bot. And then after this is your application. But this is not going to be the final. This is not going to be the final. You still have to go to bot, add bot, and then yes, do it. Okay, so we can't basically do this because there's too many names test bot. So we can do Figgy support test bot. Okay, and add bot, yes, do it. And then there's our bot. Okay, we can set the profile picture to wherever you want here, but right now we don't need to. After that, now we go on Visual Studio Code. Okay, and then over here I'll open first. First, let's go to File Explorer, and then we can make a file for the bot where we're gonna code a bot in. Let's go in Documents, new Figgy support. And that's what I'm gonna name the bot. Now we go back on Visual Studio Code, and then open folder, go on Documents, Figgy support, and then click on here, index.js, because that's the main file we're gonna code in. Now we need a new terminal. You can either press Ctrl+T or you can go File and New Terminal. I'll do or no, you need to go for New File. File, a new terminal, or you can just grab one from here. Just drag here and scroll it up. Terminal pops up here. And the first thing we need to do is npm init. And that's the official. That's like how you start your project. And then entry point, everything. We just press enter for it all. And then we'll create package.json. And then now we have to create a config.json. This is where we store a token and a prefix. So basically, first we have to install the official package for Discord, and that's the official how we send a message in the channel, etc. And it'll create a package.lock.json, and then we have to define the package so like we can use it later on. Okay, and now we have defined how to use Discord. Now we can define a client. So basically, the client will. So whenever we have to create message events, we can use client.on, or whenever the client's ready, it will send us notifications. I'll explain more later on. But now we have a config.json. We have to grab the config.json. Config equals require config.json. Okay, now we have to define what we need in config.json. First, you do the curly brackets, then open them, and then token. And then here will be a token. So now we go back to the developer portal. Right here, and now we copy this token. This token should be secret. Absolutely no one should see it. Otherwise the bot can get like hacked and more. I'm going to reveal my token for the video, but I'm going to regenerate it later on. We can go back on index.js after we got token here. The only reason I'm revealing it right now because I'll regenerate it before going before getting my video, before uploading my video. And then now we can define client.login config.token, and that's how our bot will log in. And now we have to create a specific events, client.on message, and this is a message event. But before that, we need to know if the client's actually ready. So client.on ready, and then if it's ready, we console.log I'm ready to be used. Okay, now that the client is ready and we know that, we can make if statements. If the message equals message.content equals, so first we need to set a prefix. You can change this prefix. You can do prefix. For me, I'm gonna do question mark, but you can set your prefix to be whatever you want. So you can do tilde keys, or you could do prefix plus ping, but I like to use tilde keys because it's just simpler, it looks neater in my opinion. So you can do prefix ping, so that means it's grabbing the prefix from there and it's putting ping here. And now we can open our if statement and message.channel.send pong. That's like a most basic thing you can do in discord.js. So basically that's how you set up your bot. Now that our bot is set up, we can do either two things. We can do node index.js, or we can do node dot. Either one's fine. Okay, for some reason node dot didn't load. Yeah, okay, it loaded. For some reason it loaded there. Now we can switch over to Discord, and then let's switch over to Discord, and let me go on a support server testing for video. But first we have to invite the bot, because right now we have many bots, Figgy, Mude, Rhythm. We don't have the bot that we're going to use. So let's go back on in Google and go on Discord developer portal, and then on general information and copy the client ID. And now we can go on Discord permissions calculator and go here. And now we insert client ID here and give a bot permissions. So you can give them how many permissions you want, but for now we need basic administrator permissions. Now we can go here, Figgy support test bot, and now we can go to the server that you want. Figgy support, authorize it, make sure that we're not a robot, and then it'll go in the server. Now that our bot's here, support test bot, and we can do our command ping pong, but Dino has the same command, so that's why it's responding twice, but our bot responded pong. Now we can go and then change it to, you can change the prefix to wherever you like. We can change to we can change to percentage sign, and it'll change here. So that's why I don't like to use this, because if you do it like this, then if you change the prefix here, it will not change here, and we have to manually do it. So we can change percentage sign, and then we have to restart the bot. Control+C to exit the terminal, and then you can do CLS to clean your terminal if it's too much stuff on there. And then we can do node dot or node index.js, and then we can do percentage Then after you go on your Discord server, you can do percentage ping, and that will still respond, but Dino doesn't respond because it has a different prefix. So that's how you set up a basic bot. I will in future I'll follow the documentation and go further in depth of how to make commands, ban, kick, and more.